right, well, we have some puppies. We got new residents, new kids on the block. One got hit by a motorbike and has this bandage, which we are going to take care of this. Yeah. Okay. Can we take that bandage off so I can see? Do you think he'll let us? No, we gotta take. Oh, and also needs Bravecto.
Yes.
Notched? No.
No.
And needs
Monastery.
oh,
In the
monas-
monastery.
In the monastery.
but needs to
Yes.
be, no?
Yes.
Okay. And we will also vaccinate. We are going to vaccinate. We're going to take that thing off. All right, guys. Do you want to? I. Okay.